Hello everyone, this is Robert Mansour. I'm a personal injury lawyer here in the Los Angeles area. And I thought today I would spend a brief video venting a little bit. It's been a rough month and we've gotten a lot of crazy calls. And I have really determined that there's a few clients that we are not going to be able to help. So if you fall under any one of these descriptions, I may not be the best lawyer for you. First kind of client we can't help. Sometimes clients call my office and my staff picks up the phone, my paralegal tries to talk to them, tries to learn more about the accident, learn more about their injuries, and they're like, why are you asking me that? Why do I need to answer that? Why do I need to give you that information? Look, if you're not willing to talk to my staff, we can't help you. I can't be your lawyer if you won't even speak with my staff that is trained to take initial consultations. So that's a tough one, especially the clients who demand to speak with a lawyer. I want to speak with the lawyer right now. He better get on the phone or else I'm going to call another lawyer. Call another lawyer. I can't help every single person who calls the office, and my staff is here to help you. Other clients I can't help is clients who have pre-existing injuries who try to bootstrap all of their injuries to the accident. So they have prior back problems, a disc problem, they have neck pain, they have a previous orthopedic issue, whatever the case may be. And there are certain clients who try to blame all of their pre-existing problems on a particular car accident. The truth is the car accident may have exacerbated some of these problems or may have aggravated some of the problems, but to try to blame everything on the accident is often seen as bootstrapping. It seems stretching the truth and exaggerating, and insurance adjusters and juries don't like it, and I'm unable to help you if you're going to try to do that. The next thing is clients who don't want to disclose previous injuries or previous accidents. I ask them during the intake process, have you ever had this kind of pain before? Have you been in any previous accidents? Well, why do you need to know that? I don't want to tell you that. What are you asking me that for? That's my private information. Look, I can't help you if you're going to hide stuff. If you can't trust your lawyer, who are you going to trust? So, can't really help those folks either. Other folks I can't help. Especially this one. Clients who have unreasonable expectations. They say, well, my Aunt Sally got $25,000 on somebody took a key and scratched her car and she got $500,000. Well, that's good for your Aunt Sally. It's not going to happen here. If you have minor aches and pains, soft tissue injuries from an accident, sprains, strains, it usually doesn't warrant millions of dollars. A few $1,000s maybe, but $500,000, $25,000, $50,000 for a pulled muscle, those days are over. So if your Uncle Murray got lucky, then your Uncle Murray got lucky. That's not the current reality anymore. So if you have unreasonable expectations, I'm unable to assist you. Also, clients who try to direct everything that we do. Sometimes we get a client and they say, okay, here's what you're going to do. You're going to do this, and then you're going to do this, and then you're going to do this, and they try to tell me what to do. I can't represent those people either because obviously they don't really need a lawyer. They know everything, so it's better just to let them do everything on their own. It's more efficient, frankly, that way. Why get a middleman involved? The next kind of a client that I cannot really assist is those who really believe that the behavior of the responsible party is somehow tied to the value of their case. So I talk to them and say, look, you got offered $7,000 on your case, $8,000, $15,000, whatever. And they say, but the other person was texting. They were texting at the time of the accident. Look, I don't care if they were texting or if they were robbing a bank or they were on the phone with their mom using foul language. Maybe they're also a bad dresser and they don't go to church on Sunday. The behavior of the other party, whether they're a nice person or a jerk or whatever, it doesn't really matter. Here's the deal. If they admit fault, then all of that is irrelevant. And frankly, even if they don't admit fault, some of that becomes irrelevant sometimes. But the point is this. The behavior of the other party, especially if they've admitted fault, is irrelevant to the value of your case. So if you continue to try to tie those two together, you're going to have an uphill battle. And the final kind of clients that we can't really help are those who just don't cooperate with us. They don't return our calls. They don't go to the doctor when they're supposed to. They are always blaming us for everything, even though they're the ones who don't respond to us. They fabricate conversations that have happened when they didn't happen. Look, if you're not going to return your lawyer's emails, if you're not going to return their calls, if you're not going to provide them with the information that they need, how can we assist you? So I feel better. I hope you understand. I was just venting here. This was a really rough month we had here. Had a lot of clients calling with very unreasonable expectations, and I thought, you know what? I should make a list of people that I simply can't help. Thank you very much for watching this brief video. My name is Robert Mansour. If you do not fall under any of these particular umbrellas and you would like some help and honest, candid legal advice, please feel free to call my office. Thank you very much.